Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review here in Hilton, Los Angeles Airport. Okay, all right. Without further delay, let's start off with the door to the hotel room. This is the emergency exit plan. To my right is the closet. Okay, closet. We have a few hangers, an iron, and an ironing board. Okay, you got some shelves up here. We have sprinklers, and that looks like Wi-Fi. Okay, now I don't see any extra pillows and blankets, but it is what it is. Okay, next up, the bathroom. Okay. Praise. All right, you have your sink, 3 washcloth, 3 hand wash rag, or should I say hand towel. Okay, what do we have here? Complimentary body lotion, conditioner, and shampoo. Okay, and this is some hand soap. You have your tissues and your face mirror. It's plugged in. Okay. Okay. Your little light ring over here. It's nice. Okay. Your toilet. Another hotel room with bathtub in the shower. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. I just prefer the standalone shower. You have your extra towels, toilet tissue, tissue paper, and this is the air dryer or hair dryer. This is what the room looks like from the entrance of the hotel room. Okay, to my right we have ice bucket, no ice, coffee maker, and your little coffee accessories. You know, honestly, I never used any coffee maker in any hotel rooms that I've ever booked. Can you believe that? Okay. All right, we have an old TV. It looks old to me. I'm guessing this is a 42 inches. You have your dresser. Okay, got your safe here. Okay, Rich people shit right here. Ample space. I like this design, how it's vertical like this. All right, and your office desk. Here I am again. Peace. The chair, the chair, the chair. Office chair. Your little in-room delivery. 24 hours. Phone. Lamp. Nothing to see because we came in very late. We actually booked around 11 and we got to get up at around 4 to catch a 7 o'clock flight. All right, this is thermal, or should I say blackout curtains. Okay. Your little lounge chair over here and table with a lamp. All right, and next up, we avail for 2. It looks like a full size, but I'm guessing there's a queen. 2 beds. Here we go. Here you go. 2 beds with 3 pillows each bed. Okay. Got your little nightstand. Holy Bible. Lamp. Here you go, carpeted. What's this? Smoke detector, smoke alarm. And yeah, that's it. My final thoughts. The front desk check-in was a breeze. The bistro was okay. Elevator system, great. Getting here was cool. The lobby, luxurious. The room, quite small. And the closet, it's a little small for me. And also the bathtub, shower is a no-no for me. I'm not a fan. It's just not my liking. It's not my preference. I think it's outdated, but that's just me. But other than that, it's cool. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.